Hello and welcome to the English Master Studio. I am your teacher, Mr. Mike. This is the place where we learn English easily together. My friend Ani is here with me. Hello, Ani.
Hello, Mr. Mike. Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here.
We are happy to have you. Before we start, friends, if you are new here, please help us. Click the subscribe button on our channel. When you subscribe, you never miss our easy English lessons. It is free and it helps you learn every week. Now, Ani, how are you today?
I am good, thank you. And you?
I am great. Today, we will talk about something very useful. We will learn how to talk about your weekend. This is very good for small talk. Small talk is friendly talk with people. So let's begin. Ani, what is a weekend?
The weekend is Saturday and Sunday. Most people do not work or go to school.
Perfect. So on Monday, people often ask, how was your weekend? It means, tell me about your Saturday and Sunday. Were they good or bad? What did you do? Ani, if I ask you, how was your weekend, what can you say first?
I can say it was good, or it was great, or if it was not good, it was okay, or it was not so good.
Yes, simple words. Good, great, okay, not so good, wonderful, busy, relaxing, quiet. These are easy words to start. So, Ani, let's try. How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Wonderful. Now, the next step. After you say it was relaxing, you should say why. What did you do to feel relaxed? We use simple past tense. Many verbs add ed. For example, watch becomes watched. I watched TV. But some verbs are different. We call them irregular. Like go becomes went. I went to the park.
I see. So I say the activity. I say what I did.
Yes. Let's make a list of common weekend activities. I will say, and you repeat, Ani. I stayed home.
I stayed home.
I cleaned my room.
I cleaned my room.
I cooked food.
I cooked food.
I watched a movie.
I watched a movie.
I listened to music.
I listened to music.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I visited my family.
I visited my family.
I talked to my friend.
I talked to my friend. Those are good. Also, I went shopping. Went is from go.
Excellent, Ani. I went shopping. Or I went to a cafe. Very good. Now we can connect the two parts. Part 1, how was the weekend? Part 2, what did you do? Ani, ask me about my weekend.
Okay. Mr. Mike, how was your weekend?
It was quiet. I stayed home and I read a book. See? 2 sentences. Simple.
I like that. It is not difficult.
It is not difficult. Let's practice more. I will ask you again and you give a different answer. Ani, how was your weekend?
It was good. I visited my family.
Nice. You can add one more thing. You can say and to connect. For example, it was good. I visited my family and we cooked dinner together. Try.
It was good. I visited my family and we talked for many hours.
Perfect. You are a star student, Ani. Now, sometimes we do more than 2 things. We can use also or to. For example, it was busy. I cleaned my room. I also went shopping. Or, it was fun. I watched a movie. I listened to music too.
I understand. Also and to mean the same.
Yes. Now, let's talk about friends. You can talk about what you did with other people. Use with my friend or with my family. For example, I watched a movie with my friend. I went shopping with my sister.
Can I say my friend and I went shopping?
You can. That is very good English. My friend and I went shopping. That sounds very natural. Okay, let's do a big practice. We will make a small story about a weekend. We will use 4 sentences. Ready, Ani?
Ready.
Sentence 1. How was the weekend?
My weekend was great.
Sentence 2. First activity.
On Saturday, I went to the park with my friend.
Sentence 3. Next activity. Use then or after that.
After that, we ate lunch at a small restaurant.
Sentence 4. Last activity or feeling.
On Sunday, I rested at home. It was a perfect weekend.
Wonderful. Listeners, did you hear that? That was a perfect short story about a weekend. You can say this on Monday at work or school. Now, what if you did not do something? What if your weekend was not interesting?
Sometimes I do nothing. Is that okay?
Of course, it is okay. You can say, it was quiet. I didn't do much. Or, I just relaxed at home. Didn't is short for did not. I did not do much. But didn't is more common in talk. So, I didn't go out. I didn't see anyone. It is okay to have a quiet weekend.
Good, because sometimes my weekend is very simple.
Simple is good. Simple English is perfect for now. Okay, let's play a game. I will tell you about my weekend, but with mistakes. You find the mistake, Ani, okay?
Okay, I will try.
My weekend was busy. On Saturday, I go shopping and I watch a movie.
You said go and watch. It is past, right? So I went shopping and I watched a movie.
Correct, very good. The past of go is went. The past of watch is watched. Next one. My weekend was not so good. I didn't went out because it rained.
I didn't went out is wrong. After didn't, we use the simple verb. I didn't go out.
Yes, a great rule. With didn't, never use the past tense verb. Use the basic verb. Didn't go, didn't watch, didn't eat. Perfect. You are a great teacher, Ani.
Thank you.
Now, let's talk about questions. How do you ask someone about their weekend? The simple question is, how was your weekend? You can ask, what did you do this weekend? Or, did you do anything fun this weekend? Ani, ask me a question.
Did you do anything fun this weekend, Mr. Mike?
I did. It was fun. I played games with my kids. We laughed a lot. See? Now, listeners, you can ask and answer. Practice with a friend. Practice alone in your room. Speak. It is important. Ani, do you have a tip for remembering what you did?
Maybe think about Saturday morning, Saturday afternoon, Saturday night, and Sunday. Think in parts.
That is a very good idea. Think in parts. You don't need to say everything. Just one or two things are enough. Now, let's do a final practice. We will do a full conversation. I will be person A, you are person B, Ani. Hi, Ani. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. So, how was your weekend?
It was really nice, thank you for asking. On Saturday, I went to the market with my mom. We bought fruits and vegetables.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it was. Then, on Sunday, I called my friend who lives far away. We talked for an hour. It was good to hear her voice. How about you? How was your weekend?
It was relaxing. I didn't go out. I stayed home, cleaned a little, and watched my favorite TV show. It was a good rest.
That sounds perfect.
Yes, it was.
That was a good conversation.
It was. You did very well. So, friends listening, you learned a lot today. You learned, 1, how to say how your weekend was. It was good, great, quiet, busy. 2, how to say what you did. Use past tense. I watched, I went, I visited, I stayed. 3, how to connect activities with and, then, after that. 4, how to talk about people with my friend, my sister, and I. 5, how to use didn't for negative. I didn't go out. 6, how to ask questions. How was your weekend? What did you do?
That is a lot, but step by step, it's easy.
Step by step. Practice one part every day. This week, your homework is simple. Ask one person, how was your weekend? Or tell one person about your weekend. Use 2 sentences. That's all.
I will do my homework.
I know you will. Thank you, Ani, for being a wonderful learner and helper today.
Thank you, Mr. Mike. This was fun.
Listeners, thank you for being with us at the English Masters Studio. Remember, learning English is a journey. Be kind to yourself. Practice a little every day. And please, if you have not yet, click that subscribe button and hit the like button. It helps our channel grow and helps us make more lessons for you. Until next time, keep practicing. Have a wonderful week, and we will talk about your weekend next Monday. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.